My name is Jack Krishna. My registration number is U115CA059. Today I'm going to explain about friend functions. My aim is to write a C++ program to create a class called matrix using a two-dimensional array of integers. Check the compatibility of two matrices to be added, subtraction and multiplication, and perform the operation for two matrices. Get the input from the user through getData function and display the results in the putData function. Make all the operations as friend functions. Now we'll proceed to the coding. Hash include HTML, hash include lib.h are both the header files of the program. Now we'll create a class matrix where we declare some integer 2D array which is a, b, and c of size 10 into 10, and then we declare some integer type variables which are row 1 column 1 row 2 column 2. Now we'll use a friend function get data function to get the data from the users, and friend function of put data function where matrix is used as a parameter. Then we'll use get data function where matrix m is declared and the user have to enter the order of the a where row 1 and column 1 is stored, and we have the user have to enter the order of the b where row 2 and column 2 is stored. Then there comes a if condition where m dot row 1 is not equal to m dot row 2, or and m dot column 1 is equals to not equal to m dot column 2, then we'll print matrices are incompatible for operations. Then we'll print the enter the elements of matrix A. Then we'll use for loop I is equals to 0 till I is equals to m dot row 1 and I will be incremented. Then for loop j is equals to 0 and j m dot column 1, then j is incremented. Then we'll put the data of m dot a ij. Then we'll enter the elements of matrix B where I is equals to 0 and I till m dot row 2, then I is incremented, and j is equals to 0 till m dot column 2 where j is incremented. Then the value of b array is stored. Then we'll use put data function where m object is passed. Then put data function is used where parameter m1 matrix m1 is used, where we'll declare a variable ch of integer type. Then we'll use do while loop where the user have to press 1 to add elements, 2 to subtract, 3 to multiply element, and 4 to exit. Then the user have to enter the choice. Then it is stored in ch. Then we'll use switch case function. Like for case 1, for loop is used where I is from 0 to m1 row 1. Then then another for loop where j is equals to 0 to m1 column 1. Then we'll calculate the c of I and j by m1 dot aij plus m1 dot bij. Then the sum is calculated. Then we use a for loop for int I is equals to 0 uh, uh, till m1 dot row 1. Then we'll use another for loop from j is equal to 0 m1 till m1 dot column 1. Then we'll print c array. Then comes case 2 for subtraction where for loop is used from I is equals to 0 to I is equal to m1 row 1 and j is equal to 0 m1 column 1. Then we'll calculate the difference by m1 aij minus m1 bij. Then the difference is printed. by using the for loops, and the Cij is printed. Then for case 3, the product, the two for loops are again used, where we calculate the product by m1.a into m2.b. Then the C is printed. Then we use case 4 to exit, where C is not equal to 0. Then main method by get data function is used. Now we have the output order of uh, A is 2 into 2, B is 2 into 2, elements is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have here 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we add the elements. 1, we have this, for 2, for 3, then for 4. This will exit. Thank you for watching the program.